Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of making money online. The internet has opened up an abundance of opportunities for individuals to build successful online careers or simply earn extra income from the comfort of their own homes. We understand that the world of online income can be overwhelming, so in this video, we're breaking it down into manageable segments. Whether you're a freelancer, a creative content creator, an aspiring investor, or simply someone looking for flexible work opportunities, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to explore the countless ways to make money online, stay tuned. Let's get started. Segment 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to start making money online. It allows you to leverage your unique skills and talents. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who need specific projects or tasks completed. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or digital marketer, you can find opportunities that match your expertise. Freelancing provides flexibility and the opportunity to work on a project-by-project basis, making it an ideal choice for those looking to generate income online. Segment 2. Online surveys and market research. Online surveys and market research studies are a simple way to earn extra cash. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer a platform where you can share your opinions on various topics and earn small rewards or cash in return. While this may not replace a full-time income, it's an accessible way to make money online. The more surveys you complete, the more you can earn, making it a convenient option for those who want to earn money in their spare time. Segment 3. Content creation. Content creation is an incredibly versatile way to make money online. It allows you to turn your passion into profit. Whether you're passionate about a specific topic, skilled in a particular area, or just love creating content, there are numerous avenues to monetize your efforts. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast is a great way to share your knowledge, experiences, and creativity. You can monetize through various means, including ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling digital products or merchandise. Creating high-quality and engaging content is key to success in this field, and it's a perfect way to combine your interests with a potential source of income. Segment 4. E-commerce. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, e-commerce is a fantastic option for making money online. It's all about selling products, either physical or digital, through online platforms. You can leverage the power of established marketplaces like eBay and Amazon, or you can create your very own online store. The key to success in e-commerce lies in product selection, marketing, and providing excellent customer service. With the right approach, you can build a thriving online business that generates a significant income. Segment 5. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is an excellent way to make money if you're knowledgeable in a specific subject or skill. Platforms like VIPKid, Wyzant, and Teachable provide opportunities to connect with students or clients seeking to learn from you. This method allows you to share your expertise, help others grow, and earn money, all from the comfort of your own home. It's a win-win situation where you get to do what you love and make money in the process. Segment 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to earn money online while promoting products or services that you believe in. Here's how it works. You sign up for affiliate programs with companies that align with your niche or interests. They provide you with unique referral links. When you recommend their products or services and someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a powerful way to monetize your online presence, and success lies in selecting the right products, building trust with your audience, and providing honest and valuable recommendations. Segment 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an exciting business model that allows you to run an e-commerce store without the hassle of managing inventory. Instead, your suppliers handle product storage, packing, and shipping. Your role is to market the products and provide customer service. You earn a margin on each sale, making it a fantastic option for those who want to start an online store with lower upfront costs. The key to success in dropshipping is choosing the right products, setting up an efficient online store, and focusing on marketing and customer satisfaction. Segment 8. Online stock trading and investing. Online stock trading and investing can be a way to potentially build wealth, but it comes with risk. This method involves buying and selling stocks, bonds or cryptocurrencies through online brokerage accounts. It's important to educate yourself before diving in, understand your investment strategy, and be aware of the risks involved. With proper research, discipline, and risk management, you can explore the potential for significant returns. Segment 9. Remote work. Remote work is on the rise, and various websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs provide job listings in diverse fields. If you have the skills and discipline to work from home or any location with an internet connection, remote work can be a rewarding path to explore. Whether you're a designer, developer, writer, or marketing specialist, there are remote job opportunities for various skill sets. Segment 10. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is an excellent way to offer support to businesses and entrepreneurs. Platforms like Belay and Time, etc. connect virtual assistants with clients who need help with administrative tasks, customer support, or marketing assistance. Virtual assistance roles can be incredibly flexible and rewarding, and you can provide valuable services from your home or wherever you're most comfortable. Segment 11. Online gaming and streaming. If you're skilled in gaming or content creation, the gaming industry offers exciting opportunities to make money. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming, and Facebook Gaming provide avenues to earn through ads, donations, and sponsorships. To succeed, you need to engage your audience, provide entertaining content, and build a loyal fan base. This method is perfect for those who are passionate about gaming and want to share their experiences with a worldwide audience. Segment 12. Online photography. For those of you with a passion for photography, why not turn it into a source of income? You can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. This method allows you to monetize your creative talents and potentially earn a passive income from your work. High-quality, unique, and in-demand photos can bring in a steady stream of income. Segment 13. App and software development. If you're tech-savvy and have coding skills, app and software development can be a lucrative venture. You can create and sell mobile apps, software, or web applications. This allows you to target specific needs or niches and provide valuable solutions to your customers. Success in this field often hinges on your technical abilities and the ability to identify market demands. Segment 14. Remote services. Do you possess expertise in a particular field such as accounting, legal consulting, or marketing consultancy? You can offer remote services to businesses and clients in need of your knowledge. This is an excellent way to leverage your skills, provide value to clients, and build a source of income that is both rewarding and flexible. Segment 15. Online courses. If you have knowledge or skills to share, why not create and sell online courses? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare enable you to reach a global audience. By creating and selling courses, you can provide valuable education to others while establishing a sustainable source of income. Whether it's a course on digital marketing, cooking, or a hobby you're passionate about, online courses allow you to share your expertise and generate income. And there you have it, folks, a plethora of options to make money online. It's essential to remember that success often takes time, dedication, and perseverance. So take your time, explore your interests, and most importantly, protect yourself from scams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights from the conscious cash flow. Thanks for joining us today, and we wish you the best of luck on your journey to online success. See you next time.